In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can join the Roblox Hunty Zombie Discord server here on mobile. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you're trying to join the Hunty Zombie Discord server from your phone, this guide's for you. First things first, obviously open up Discord and look on the left hand side of your screen. You can do this by just swiping to the left and it's going to pull up all of your server icons. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of your servers and find this little plus icon right here and select it. It's going to open up a page that looks like this. Scroll to the very bottom of this page and hit join a server, and it's going to pull up a join existing server section right here where you're supposed to type in an invite link. Don't worry about any invite links though, because what we're going to type in is simply just Hunty Zombies, just like so. Make sure it's all one word and spelled exactly like this or it's not going to work, and then hit join with invite link and it's going to automatically take you to a page that looks like this for the Hunty Zombies Discord server. Simply go ahead and hit accept invite. And it's going to take you to a page like this where you need to go ahead and customize your experience to finish joining. You just got to select whatever you'd like, hit next. In this section, if you do speak any of these languages, go ahead and select those. In my case, I'm going to hit skip and then hit agree and finish. And you'll be able to now be a part of the Hunty Zombies Discord server and chat with other people here in the community. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down below, and make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more guides like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.